I wanted to show you what you are going to get when we are giving you the Facebook ads, because Facebook ads are so expensive. So I just wanted to give this as a gift to solopreneurs for Black Friday, and wanted to make it as comprehensive as possible, because even the copywriting for Facebook ads and those trainings are also so expensive. So here I want you to have a jump start. So what are we giving here in the Facebook ads? Here, these are all the ChatGPT or any AI prompt, and these are tested prompts. So here, the prompt, I'm giving you one example. I need a Facebook ad copy that will engage my ideal and whatever is your ideal customer, and specific type of content from influencer type who can authentically share the benefits of my product, whatever product you have, and encourage them to make a purchase. So you can customize this prompt, and you can give the prompt, and you can create the copy. And here is another prompt that I'm looking for a Facebook ad copy that will use the social proof and credibility of influencer type to persuade my ideal customer profile to try my product or service and share their positive experience with their followers. So this is the second prompt. And there are many prompts like that. The third prompt, I'm giving you example. This is the last example because you are getting everything. I need a Facebook ad copy that will leverage the reach of influence of influencer type to drive traffic and sales to my product or service from my ideal customer persona. So this is there are so many prompts, so you can create your Facebook ad copy using these prompts. And here we also have a fill in the blank perfect ad copy prompt. Here there are it's a huge prompt. It is all the tested and proven, and you can just fill in the blanks. So this is another comprehensive resource I'm giving here. It is the audience insight product, and here this is like a full big essay for you. And here audience insights, what are their achievements, what is their occupation, how do they spend their time during the week, what are their hobbies and interests. So you can create your audience, so creating amazing ads. So this is a fill in the blank prompt that is also I'm giving you. So you can just actually just copy and paste and fill in the blank and use it. There are lots of actually questions you can ask, and you will get your ideal customer profile, demographics, everything. So create the ad copy, and ad copy will be created. Now, part one is 70% of the copy. Ask them if they have faced any common issue, or that plants a seed in their mind using relatable examples based on audience and all. So, and this is the part two is 20% of the copy. So you give those prompts, and accordingly your result will be at part three. It just CTA and emphasis on crucial factors and all. So this is all you are getting ready made. You are also getting ad objective. So you can have a mission statement, time lapse, and demographics, interest, and all. So ad objective also you are getting in this Facebook ad copy. There are lots of, depending on your objective, you can just choose the prompt and you can do that. Target audience, for target audience also we have various things you can just go through. I just don't want to keep on reading because unnecessarily the video will be long, but you are getting everything. You are getting target audience, and there are various prompts like we are a company type, whatever company type you have that offers what kind of products or services. How can we refine our targeting to reach customers who are the most likely to purchase our products or services? So that also you are getting everything. You are getting even the prompts to create eye-catching visual. So that also we are giving you. Yeah, those are the prompts. Those prompts also we are giving you. Then we are giving you the hooks, because the scroll will be stopped only because of the hook. So we are giving you prompts even for the hooks. We are giving you a comprehensive package. So you don't have to go and hire a really expensive agency to do that. So there are various prompts for hooks. So our target audience consists of whatever demographics or interests they are there. How can we create Facebook ads headlines that resonate with their specific needs and preferences. Strong CTAs. CTAs, mean hooks are important, but CTAs are also very important because that will move the needle. So here, just one example of CTA, our company type, whatever company type you have has recently launched whatever product, targeting whatever audience. The main benefits, again list the benefit. How can we create effective CTA in our Facebook ads that encourage users to learn more about our new products and services and make purchase? Ad formats. We have the formats also, so you can have various formats of ads. Then how can you optimize for mobile, because many people are actually scrolling through the mobile, so that also is there. We have a Facebook ad template. That also means we are providing you really totally comprehensive package for the Facebook ad. So you can just go for the direct template and fill in the blanks and just have the template. It's a, you can list the problems and what solutions you are providing. It's a big template, but it will do the comprehensive template and comprehensive ad. We are providing complete resources, complete ad package. So just wanted to show you this is what it's going to be when you buy Facebook ad copy. Thank you.